Next we come to the sum of a discrete series ungrouped data with frequency. So let us take sum number 7 from your book, from your exercise numericals. Let us take sum number 7. Now the values of x are given as 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. The frequencies are also given as 8, 12, 20, 10, 6 and 4 respectively. So the summation of the frequency is 60. The total number n equals to 60, or summation f equals to 60. Now we have two methods. We have learned two formulas, two methods. Now in these two methods, the first and the direct method is summation f into x. You find out summation x into x, f into x. So it's 160, 20 into 8, 160, 30 into 12, 360. Then you have 800, 500, 360 again, and 280. So if you sum up this summation fx, if you do summation fx equals to, you get the answer as 2460. 2460. Therefore, as you find mean equals to, you have got the formula summation fx divided by summation f, which is equals to 2460 divided by your total number of frequencies 60. So that is equals to 41. So 41 will be your mean. Therefore mean wages equals to rupees 41. Next, we do the same sum with the help of the shortcut method as asked in the question. So, shortcut method, we have to find out d by the formula x minus a. So, therefore, we have to consider an assumed mean. Now, look at the values of x carefully. If you see the values of x 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. When there are 6, you get in the middlemost two values. Now consider that one as assumed mean which has a higher frequency among them. 40 can also be taken as assumed mean, 50 can also be taken as assumed mean, but it is always preferable when you get these two in between, then it is always preferable to take that value as assumed mean, that value of x as assumed mean that has a higher frequency. So here we consider 40 as the assumed mean. So assumed mean equals to 40. Had there been 5 number of data or 7 number of data, you have got only one value as middlemost. You take that one as the assumed mean, no issues. So a equals to 40 we take, and as we take a equals to 40, now we deviate. 20 minus 40 minus 20, 30 minus 40 minus 10, and so on it continues. When you write the deviations, so you have the D column like this. So as you get the D column like this, now it's your work to find F into D. F into D means this column into this column. So you have minus 160, you have minus 120, you have 0, then 100, then 120 and then 120 again. When summation FD is to be found, and summation FD comes out to 60. Summation FD comes out to 60. Therefore, 60. Now, therefore, when we calculate x bar equals to, formula is a plus summation FD by summation F for shortcut method, which is equal to, you have taken 40 plus summation FD is 60 and summation F is also 60. So you have 40 plus 1, it's again 41. Therefore, mean wages equal to rupees 41. These are the two ways, the direct method and the shortcut method for calculating the mean of discrete series ungrouped data with frequency.